To set up Hotspot in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into network and internet options, and then we can find hotspot and tethering. Enter it right here, and then we can adjust all of the settings. Starting with hotspot name, you can change name how everybody else will be able to see it in their Wi-Fi list. Next option is security. You can use any of the WPA protocols, or you can select none. That way, with none, you will have no password on your hotspot. And with those options, you'll be able to set up password that we have below right there. Click on it and then enter at least 8 digits password, or you can copy and share this one right here. Then we have turn off hotspot automatically, so when there's no devices connected to your hotspot, it will deactivate automatically. You can enable or disable this option. Then we have speed and compatibility. So basically what it does, it allows you to get faster internet on your hotspot, but at the same time, less devices will be able to connect with your hotspot. So higher you go, the higher speed will be, but then those devices will need to support, for example, 6G network. So if there's somebody else having trouble connecting with your hotspot, make sure that you lower it so that they can actually connect. And lastly, we have instant hotspot, which allows you to quickly connect with your hotspot if you have the same account connected on other devices. And lastly, there's option to enable or disable it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.